Go Bonfire! Woo!
You're gonna give it to him.
Everyone's covered in mess.
Brady,
Vicky!
Hi.
Oh, you guys.
What if tomorrow they tell us to come over here and clean it up? I guess so.
Pick up the mess y'all made.
Shoot, ain't none of us gonna come. What if they said y'all can't have a homecoming game until it's all picked up?
We have it in.
They wouldn't cancel the game. Where? Okay.
Had some German kid come up and grab my face.
Okay, bye.